Powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from the interior shop Kroonstad in the Free State.
Our shop, called the Interior Shop, is a one-stop decor shop, and we are proud stockists of South Africa's leading #1 paint brand, Plascon. We are a family-run business, myself, my wife and daughter, and we have 100 years of combined retail experience. We are passionate about colour, and we do free colour consultations and give free interior decorating advice if you buy your Plascon paint from us. I believe we are the best hardware store in South Africa because this is truly a one-stop decor shop, and we have the best colour consulting team and interior decorators in the region, and I think most probably, in my opinion, in the country. I think Velvet Glow is most probably the best paint in the world. You don't need an undercoat, and it's just very, very good to work with. So I love Velvet Glow. That's my favourite paint. Well, my DIY tip would be, don't save money on cheap brands. Go for the best, buy from the best, and buy Plascon.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.